Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, it's just a short video. Basically, I was really happy to get the car up and running today. I started it up to pull it out of the shop so Pops can change the oil in his van and stuff. So that's the first time it actually moved under its own power since last year. Then brought it back in the shop. Then we decided to go ahead and just start the car up, let it sit there idle, and build some heat in it. We haven't did that since we put the new heads on. So anyway, thought it'd be neat to show you just the sound of the car running. It does have a little bit different sound. Now this is running on my gas carb, so I don't have my alcohol carb on it just yet. So the sound of it will change even again. And what I'm going to try to do in this video, I'm going to show you kind of a comparison between the old heads and the new heads. In my opinion, I think they sound different. So anyway, I'll show a before and after and see if you can, tell difference. If you can tell difference, just leave it down in the comments. Say, yeah, there is a difference. If not, that's fine. But anyway, I just want to post a quick little video about the car running, how it sounds like, and all that good stuff. So with that, let's go ahead and get started with the video.